What up, guys? I'm headed to Chalk River Falls Park, which is in Belton County, Texas. It's supposed to be this nice little spot, some waterfalls, nice little hiking trail. I'm gonna see if I can get the mountain bike out. We're gonna go exploring today. So, this is like my third day in Texas. It's currently, well, that's not right. It says it's 116. It's got to be like 90 something out. It's 11:30, so it's gonna be like mid-heat when I get out there. We're gonna have a good time. Alright, so I just arrived and it looks pretty packed, honestly. I'm hoping that it's nice. I'm hoping that I can fly the drone. I'm gonna bring it just in case. But it's looking a little packed right now, so we'll see. That cool little bridge. Oh my god. I'm gonna fall on this thing. Like, I'm trying to walk in the shade because it's so blasted hot out right now. I'm sweating profusely. I figured by getting by the water, it'd be a little colder. There's just no wind. No wind at all. It's 90s. So, we're just gonna keep it going. Walk by the river now, instead of up top. Hopefully we'll get there soon. I can cool off. Okay, so I'm taking a little different path. I'm trekking through the water right now. I hope there's nothing in the water. Ooh. It does feel good though.